This would help the students to improve their thinking skills, and it would also help the students in their future competitive exams.
I would like to introduce a new cleanliness campaign where the students will clean their own classrooms after the school. This will develop a sense of discipline and belongingness among the students.
Should I go for science or commerce? Family expecting 90 plus. Many boys propose me. Many friends cheated on me. Oh God, one mind running on hundreds of roads. So, as a principal of school, I am going to develop those social skills in my little tulips so that they can manage those to some extent.
I will make sure that sports and extracurricular activity to be given equal importance to that of studies.
Change the curriculum system. Rather, I would like to introduce or include more of the practical based or vocational subject.
Start a campaign for blood donation, not only for the students, also for the teachers and the staff members.
I will be conducting a lots of research in a public services. Do you think why I want to be this? Doing a lots of research, it will be enhance our knowledge.
And I will focus on the third language because nowadays it is a necessary part in every school.
The change would be something which is one of our best part of our school lives. Yes, picnics. So at least 2 to 3 picnics will be organized annually.
I will make arrangement for personality development class in a regular timetable.
Reducing the weight of the average student school bag. Secondly, the safety of a child. And third one is teach them the value of the time.
The sports teaches us how to deal with failure, how to face challenges, how to handle the pressure, how to work in teamwork. The sports not only give us physical but also mental fitness.
All the students and teachers are open to constructive criticism, which would help in the growth of the college.
Students will work part-time after their college to pay a fraction of their college fee, but they will develop a sense of financial independence at a very young age.
Skill development programs to be conducted in this college, which will help the students to build the confidence.
I am going to work on the personality development, which reflects an outgoing and impressive personality on my undergrads, which help them gain confidence, self-esteem, positive impact on communication skills, and obviously enhance the quality of learning.
For the NCC, for all the age group.
The purpose of a spiritual education is to fulfill the divine potential of a children.
I will focus on the extracurricular activities because I think that every student should actively participate and show up their creative and innovative skills, whether they're good in dance, whether they're good in drama, whether they're good in arts, sports, or any other.
Include a counseling branch in my college so that especially the newcomers and the freshers get a chance to open up how they feel.
Shall set the timing, college timing from 9 to 11 or 12:30, because after that all of the students they are needy and they are poor and not pay their fees on timely, and they want to do something, so they can start their part-time job also.
Campus recruitment for internships so that they can get a practical approach towards whatsoever they are learning.
Basic things that are missing in our education system, I would make sure that certain things, educations are given on certain things like sex education, how to write a good email, how to make a CV.
Teenagers are more likely to be depressed than any other age group. So, a counselor will be always available for them so that if they have any problem or they want to share something, they can talk to him or her freely, and it will help them to come out from their fear and to move on. Thank you.